Hi, this is Kit Custer with the Easy Sales team at Keller Williams Citywide. I'm here to show you our Imagination Renovations project. Let's take a look. This door actually originally was a fireplace, and we had to tear it out for safety reasons. So what we did to make a better flow was put a nice front door here that's actually attached to a beautiful front porch that has a lot of cedar. So everything you see in this house is completely new. We actually gutted it completely down to studs. In fact, before we really got started, my husband Scott sat down and drew up a completely different blueprint to make the house flow. So while Imagination Renovations was rehabbing this 3,200 square foot home, we actually discovered that there was 3 other additions done to the house before we bought it. All the floors were uneven, and even the ductwork we had to completely rip out. Imagination Renovations designed this kitchen. I love this farmhouse sink. The size of it is amazing on this beautiful granite slab. Now to check out my dream master suite. And of course, what master bedroom isn't complete without a custom dream closet? This bathroom is a must-see. So you've got the double vanities. In the shower, you actually have the soaking tub, a rain shower, 2 body sprays, and a Bluetooth speaker so you can listen to music while you're relaxing. In the master bedroom, we also have the cedar ceilings, but most importantly, I want to show you the French doors that lead out to the deck. And here we have the in-law suite with their own private bathroom. This room used to be a 1-car garage. And you should really check out this closet. So as you walk up the handmade staircase, I wanted to let you know about this section right here. This was actually much lower and much thinner, so the guys actually had to raise the roof and make it more usable space. So now we have a media room. Imagination Renovations also decided to move a bathroom that was here that just didn't make sense to increase the size of this media room and put the other bathroom over here by the 4th bedroom. Thanks again for watching our Imagination Renovations project. Stay tuned for all of our upcoming renovations.